We all know that we can go to search, and in search we can hit enter, and we can bring up people, and we can look for people here, and we can look for people based on companies and schools they went to. But there's another tactic you can use to find people who worked at companies and people who are alumni of schools. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button, because I create all of these videos for you. So we don't have to go to the search bar, and we don't have to use over here, current companies and schools. There's a whole other way of doing this, and that would be to, as an example, let me show you with IBM, the company. I can come to the company page. Now, if I click on that number there, it's just going to take me into LinkedIn search. See, I'm in a search, and it's going to require me to use all these filters here. Nothing wrong with that, but there's another way of doing that, and that is to come down here and click on people. And then I can look at the 529,709 employees, and I can put some keywords, titles, or school name here. And I have 3 other filters. I have 6. 2 of them here: where they live, where they studied, what they do, what they're skilled at, what they studied, and how you're connected. So I can really refine this list and drive it down to a smaller number, and that list is going to be down here. People you may know. These people you may know are people or employees, in this case of IBM, that I'm first level with. But what happens when I go to a school? Let's look at a school page. Here's UNC Asheville. UNC Asheville. Now I can go look at the employees. That'll drive me to the employee list in LinkedIn search. But I don't have people down here. I have alumni. So I can drive the alumni, which happens to be how many alumni? 19,583 LinkedIn members who say they're alumni of North Carolina, Asheville. Not only can I put in some keywords, title, a keyword, or the company they're at today, I can also put in their start year and their end year, and where they work, where they live, what they do, what they're skilled at, what they studied, and how you are connected. So I can drive this list of 19,000 down by searching and filtering it in a very deliberate way. And then the people down here, the people you may know, this is going to be those 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, boom, 28 that I'm connected to. So a really powerful way to look for alumni is not to go to LinkedIn search, but stay on the school page, click on alumni, and use the filtering to find the ones you're looking for, and they'll show up under people you may know on the school page. Similar to the way the employees will show up as I filter them, and they'll show up under people you may know on the company page. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator guy. Hope this is helpful for you.